All right, back with you. It is Saturday, February 20th. Going over some different stocks today. Doing some small caps, some other stocks. Other ways to play stocks is oversold, looking for a bounce. Like on this trend, this is NWL, Newell Brands. On a stock that's on its way up. Now, here you go here. Back when it was near 18, it broke this level. It did a little pullback, very oversold. And what happens actually bounce up. Off we went on this. 19 went to near 22. Another pullback. So now you have a trend line. You want to connect points. This stock's going up. This was actually like the second point to connect, and this was a good one right here. Look at this, right at 20. Look at these wicks. 1, 2, 3, almost 4, 5, and then we take off. You get to near 26. That is a great run there. So even if you work, just say you work a full time job, look for if you can't day trade necessarily, maybe you can get in during a lunch or whatever you can, even in the morning. But swing trading you can do easily. There's no problem. You look at stocks during the night, look at some oversold plays, and then you come here and look at this. This bounces. That's a great move. You got 20 to a $6 move. Came back again. We did a halfway move, 50 stochastics level. Then we bounce again. Then we have a gap down right now. This is where we're at. Oversold 10.33. It's trying to come up. Crossover. Looks like this will hold. It's a good trend line support here. This comes back up. I think we can reach this gap, get back to 26 plus. So this looks very strong. 420 million float, 11.11 billion market cap on Newell Brands. BOF BOFA Securities has 27 buy target. Dividend 3.78%. That's not bad. Newell Brands manufactures, designs commercial products worldwide, consumer products. So again, a stock breaks out. You have a back and forth. You have an uptrend. Stocks can be sideways. They can make straight up moves. They can be dip buys, huge like mountains and valleys. This is pretty tight. It's a channel back and forth, bottom of the channel. So we'll see how they play this right now. Looks pretty good. VIGC. $33 million float, 4.72 billion market cap, 44% institutional ownership. BigCommerce to present at upcoming investor conferences. Operates software as a service platform in Americas, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific. Engaging online stores. Approximately 60,000 online stores across industries in 150 countries. All right, so look at this stock. This has the big run up September. The 160 comes all the way back, bounces up. Look at this bounce down. So the high is getting lower. This little trend line. Then we hold this level near 60, bounce up again towards 90 plus. Now we're going back down again. Now, let me see this. If I draw this all the way down, you see that was a line that broke out. I'm using the further line. So you can see here the winding motion of the back and forth. The highs getting lower and the lows pretty stable, 70 to 60. It's oversold now at 8.87 stochastics. Look at any time we're that low on the chart. We came here, buy. Look at this. Here to here. 70 to 100 plus. Here again, smaller move. Here, 60 to 90. Now, we're going to take a move further down. It's tough to say. It's oversold. You're looking for the crossover. Right now, it's ready to cross stochastics. That's very important. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. We're trying to move up. If this does move up, I could see 80. Maybe we test 90 again on this. I like the oversold action on this. It's always good to play. Because you're oversold, you have a better chance to go up, depending on where you're at in the chart. So I like that. Swing long looks pretty good. BYFC. 5.9 million float, 26% institutional, 16% insider zone. Institutional ownership 16%, insider zone 26%, 45 million market cap. No news in this recently. This is Broadway Financial, operates a holding company for Broadway Federal Bank. This was part of the black-owned banks, I believe. They were part of it with some other banks, and this really moved. That's what moved in June when you had the riots in America, and this really took off. They were going to help black-owned banks, black businesses. Then we came back, just found this little like channel 150, the two line. You can see this back and forth. We eventually broke up now, January. And you can see here, if you draw a line right here, oh, wait a minute, just messed up my line. You can draw another line right here, and we're very tight to this 20 EMA. Look how this is going up. It's like grinding every day. Big candles, back and forth, back and forth. It wants to break this 250 level. So if we break this 250 level, you have 275, 275 shouldn't be a problem. I would look towards 3 plus, anywhere 3 to 450 on this range. Because this is where you have that move right here. And that was back in June. So you have that. Then you have some like candles right here. So that's the big move here. It's going to be, big volume here. This doesn't do a lot of volume. You can see this doesn't even show my bars here. Look, 239,000. This is a spiker. If it gets real good news, this could spike big because it's a low float. So you got to be careful. You want volume and make sure, volume's good at least that day to trade in. All right. I actually skipped BIOL. That was next. But let's take a look at this. BIOL float 91 million, market cap 159 million. Insiders in 11%, institutions 8%. Okay, together with subsidiaries, develops, manufactures, market, sells laser systems for dental practitioners and their patients in the United States, internationally. All right, this has been on a huge run too. If you mark a line down right here, it sort of broke this trend line for about over a year and a half, almost 2 years. This broke up over 40 cents, 50, 130, came back. Back and forth, put in a big candle at 150, then another pullback to the 13 EMA right here. See that? Then we got the 150. Now we're coming back again. Now on this, you have a line here. This 150 line is very big because we couldn't break that before. And now you have, big move up. Volume sort of decreasing here. You have stochastics going down, so it's almost getting very oversold. This cross is good. You have a cross here that might mean a change of pattern. We come up. It's hard to make a trend line here. They don't connect. You can connect here. It's sort of like off balance here. See this? So, but the high is getting lower. See here, here, here. I want this 110 to hold. If one doesn't hold, you got this 80-cent level and then 70-cent level and then back to 60. So we moved here from this candle bounce. We moved here and moved up. That we could move up again on this candle, this cross. So let's see if this is a reversal and we come up and we challenge 150. I think that could happen. And that's where this one stands here. Just seeing, because he had to move up here, so we bounced. We found support, came down. We went through this support. So we're trying to hold on here. We'll see what happens with this. BIOL. See, when you move up very strong like this, and they actually have, let me see, FinViz puts out June, this candle right here. Right here to here. See, they put out candles, like connecting points. Like, I don't know how they do it. Maybe it's their algos, like the highest point recently. I'm not sure. Like, this is the highest one. It comes in the frame. I'm not sure how they do it exactly, but All right, that's it on BIOL. Made a big move. We'll see if this can bounce up. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Any information about the stocks, anything you want to contribute. Mike J Trades on Twitter, Instagram, Mike Frank 98, and Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Peace.